Are you tired of hearing complaints from your employees, whether in the office or based remotely? Back pain, neck pain, arm pain, or even more worrying, are you not hearing any complaints at all? Imagine a seamless solution that works for your workforce wherever they are. We all know that poor setups, poor ergonomics can lead to decreased productivity and increased health problems, or even costly absence from work. Managing ergonomic well-being in a hybrid or remote work environment can be difficult. It's complex, but we all know it's something that needs looking after. And that's why we've designed these online workshops and webinars, tailored solutions to transform your employees' workspaces into havens of comfort and productivity. Say goodbye to those endless complaints and worries and say hello to a happier, healthier workforce. Worried it's too complicated or expensive to implement? Well, our solutions are designed with your convenience in mind, making them easy to implement and budget friendly too. With over 15 years of posture and ergonomic expertise, we're your perfect partner to help you overcome the well-being issues that are stopping your company performing at its best. We have 5-star reviews across the board and rave reviews. But don't just take my word for it. Companies like these have seen remarkable improvements in employee satisfaction, comfort, and productivity. And your reduced risk of absence and litigation is sure to make management pleased. And if you're still unsure, we offer a comprehensive 100% money-back guarantee to make sure that not only are you acting risk-free, but it's a win-win situation for everybody. But hurry, wherever your employees are in the world, we can only fit so many of these in a month, so make sure that yours is one of them. So take action today and contact us to take your first steps towards a healthier, happier, and more productive workforce.